Hello, and thank you for getting the latest YouTube ranking software. This is version number 2. Let's double click on the application icon in order to open the software. As soon as the software is open, we should add a new project. To add a new project, click on Add, and then add the name of your project. In this case, I'm going to go after Roku 3 review, as this is only an example, of course, and I'm going to click on Create New Project. That will create a new project. All your projects are going to be visible here on the left side column. On the Summary tab, we're here on the Summary tab, you will see your main keyword on the top. You will see the main keyword here as well, and you will see the title of the video that you just created. You need to create a video previously, then you can add the URL here. Then you can paste the description here, and you can paste your tags here. But that's optional, of course. You can generate the description if you want to. We have an interesting system here. If we click generate, it will generate a review here for you. Yeah, you can copy and paste this and paste it on your video. And for the tags as well, we can generate tags with the software. What happened here is that the software went looking for the top 3 videos and got the best keywords that we can use, or tags that we can use on our video. We can check the rankings as well of our project as often as we want. We have a start date and an end date. The project is starting right now. You can end it now, or if you have a deadline, you can put a deadline there. And it's auto-saving, but only to be sure, try to click save once in a while. So, next step will be the ping tab. And if you click ping here, on the Summary tab, it will take you to the Ping tab, and you can ping your video from the software. So if we click on Ping now, it will start pinging the URL of your video to all the pinging sites that we added on the software. Until now we have 69 sites where your software, where your video will be pinged. So pinging will help with the indexing as well of your video. Let's go back to the Summary tab, and that's it for this video. Before that, there is something else I would like to add regarding the description tab here, description area here. You can generate this description, as you notice, but of course if you want to change what the description or the default description is saying here, you just go to your files here, and there is a file called description template. Double click there, and can you see the text here? That means you can change this text to whatever you want. You can delete everything if you want. And every time that you add these brackets and the word keyword, it will fill in any text that you add or edit here with your keyword. So let me show you briefly. If I, for example, I delete all that, and I put, like something, only that means, your keyword will be there and at the beginning, and I can say, hello by my, again, keyword. That will be your main keyword. So when you click on generate, it will use this description template to generate that description for you. So it's not static, you have flexibility, and that's very good for this. Thank you again.